Hello everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, major altcoins, and when I think is the right time to start investing into small cap altcoins. So stay tuned until the end if you want to make massive gains the upcoming bull run. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the Bitcoin charts. So as we can see here, guys, Bitcoin pulled back just a little bit today. So wait, let me quickly go actually to the 4-hourly chart so we can see it a bit better what happened here. As we can see, we see some red candles here. We went from 37,900 back down into the channel to 35,500, and now we're sitting at 36,300. So what do I think is going to happen here? So basically, let's first look at this, guys. Do you see what I'm also seeing here? Do you see this? Let me quickly show it to you one more time. So we have here this zone that's holding right now. So we have this support zone here holding for now. Very good. We had a lot of attempts here. As we can see, we had an attempt to break down here, then another attempt here, then another big attempt here, another here, and another one a couple days ago, and the next one was just yesterday. So I think this zone is a very strong support zone right now for Bitcoin. That means we can probably see another attempt to break out of the channel right here. We had one attempt to break out here, another attempt here, another small attempt here, and this one was almost going through, but then we went down again back. So what do I think is going to happen? In my opinion, I think we will have another attempt to try to break out of the channel in the upcoming days. I know it's also the weekend tomorrow, so probably it's going to be some low volume days, so I don't expect big price movements happening. But next week, I'm sure we will try to break out of this channel again. Or we can also retrace back to the middle of the channel, which is 32,000, which I think is not very likely because we are holding this zone here already since 24th of October. So it's very strong support now. Over 1 month, it's still holding. So if we don't see some negative news, I think it's probably still gonna hold. Now let's see what's happening to Ethereum and the other altcoins. So Ethereum pulled back with Bitcoin, as we can see here, below $2,000 again, unfortunately. But, or fortunately, as we can see here, on Ethereum, actually, we had this parallel channel here, which break out, and now it looks like it's becoming the next support zone. So that's why technical analysis is so great, guys. Look at this. We had this channel here, and now it became just support right here. So that's why you need to learn technical analysis. Watch my videos. Make sure to subscribe, and so you stay up to date with the markets. Now, what I think is going to happen to Ethereum, I think Ethereum is probably going to still play around in this area zone above the top of this channel. We can also retrace down to the middle of the channel or even the bottom of the channel at 18,500. As long as we don't go below this channel, we remain bullish. This is an upwards channel, so this means it's accumulating bullish momentum right now, which is very positive. If we see it break down the bottom of the channel, then we can expect some very low price targets after that, like 1682 or maybe even lower. But in my opinion, I think it's about 65% to 35% chance that we're gonna go up. So stay tuned until the end. I'm definitely not gonna sell my Bitcoin or my Ethereum right now. Now BNB, no movement. Matic went down a little bit, unfortunately, but I'm still gonna accumulate more Matic. So let's see Matic. Let's see, maybe we have some. What are the charts telling us? So let's see. We have here 1 point, then we have here 1 point that got broken. No, it's not really. Maybe 1 second. Let's see, from here to here. All right, so this could be some kind of support zone right here, but let's see if it's going to hold or not. This is not very precise one, so I'll delete it. But as we can see, it's probably going to hold. We also have like this zone area here. Let's quickly jump over to the weekly and see what's the what's happening there. So as we can see, this area here, we had a lot of price movement around this area here, around the 80 cents dollar, $1.80 area. So I think we'll probably play around in this area for some time. Unfortunately for Matic, if Bitcoin is not moving up again, if Bitcoin turns bullish again, then we can see probably $1 coming for Matic. The next price target would be actually $1.15 if we keep the bullish momentum up. Now let's see what else we have. I'm still buying more Matic, more Chainlink, and some other different altcoins. Dogecoin, massive gains. Massive gains, guys. As you remember, if you're watching my videos, we were buying Doge at 7 cents just 2 weeks ago, and we are up very good in the profits, guys. So we can see here massive gains, probably around 20% on spot. So with a 5x leverage, it's 100%. With a 10x leverage, 200%. Massive gains just. What else we have? We have Link, which retraced down quite a lot. So I'm probably gonna make some more buy orders for Link here. We are sitting at 13.44.6, which is not so bad right now. I'm probably just gonna accumulate more and keep adding to my trade. So my trade is probably now in the negative, in the red numbers, because my entry point is like 13.7. So I'm just gonna add more to my trade, make sure it's gonna accumulate, and once it goes back up, I will take some profit and still keep the trade running. That's how I usually like to do it. Nasdaq, not much happening. Netflix 1% up. Besides that, not a lot of stuff happening. Gold almost back at $2,000, which is quite positive. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see what Coinbase is doing. Coinbase also down like $2. Not so bad. All right. This was it for today. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.